Hey guys, I'm James. In this video, I'm going to take you through an overview of WP Native Apps. So here's a look at the General tab in the backend settings for WP Native Apps. This tab we're using for kind of general settings like, I guess all the basics, such as app name. So we'll go through each one, starting at app name. This will be used for your app listing. So this would be the name of the app, however you want to call that. Moving on to the hide web app elements feature. This is where we're giving you the chance to hide any elements that you feel like might not be app friendly. Two of the main ones that we strongly recommend you use is for the header and the footer, to remove the header and footer from your website, because they are very much web elements. And if you saw those on an app, it just wouldn't look right. So you have to remove those, but you can also add in more elements to hide. So you can go and launch that popover. There will be another video that you can watch to view in more detail that popover and how it works, and start to hide elements that will make your website more app friendly. The splash screen setting. So the splash screen is a screen that all of your users will see. It's the first 1 to 3 seconds when your app is open. You'll see it in any app you open. A quick little screen that has a branded image, your logo. So we've put in these settings here for you to be able to upload an image. Also choose a background color. So the background color will be shown maybe for a split second before the image, while the image loads. Ideally not for long. So please upload an image with a small file size, less than 100 kilobytes. This should just be a really simple image that kind of illustrates your industry, your business, has your branded logo, branded assets, and looks nice. Moving forward to top bar navigation. So this is the section at the top of your app. It is where your top bar nav will live. You need to choose a background color. So have a think about what you want that to look like. We'd suggest looking out to other applications that you use daily, having a look at what navigation color they might have. White is one that you can never really go wrong with. But what you got to imagine is, based off of your logo and the icons that you're going to have in your navigation, what color makes sense. And then moving forward, what status bar text color makes sense. So if you've got a dark background color, you should be choosing a light or white status bar text color. When we talk status bar text, that's this text here that kind of lives at the top of your phone screen. The time, your battery, that'll change device by device, but that's always there. So you need to be choosing either black or white. We just suggest to choose the best contrasting color based off of the background color you've chosen for your top bar navigation. Moving forward, we've got your banner logo. So this is a logo banner form, so landscape. It's a chance for you to upload your logo into the backend config. It will be used in a few places as kind of a default that you can then replace. But that's how you do that there. You can upload images across the board in our plugin using the classic WordPress media library. So when you click change image, it'll open up your media library. So you can use the media library, the WordPress media library, to upload any photo, and that will pop into place. So I'll just select this random image here, and you can see how that's popped into place, and that will be our banner logo. Moving forward, we've got the top bar text color. So this is for pages when you've navigated into an internal page in your app. So it's really helpful to pull up an example app such as Instagram or any app that you use every day, and having a look at how the navigation changes as you press on buttons, on content, on specific items within the app. So you can imagine in Instagram, for example, when you click on a piece of content, at the top there might be the title of the content, with a back button to get back to the previous screen. What we're offering here in terms of configuration is to just be able to choose what color you want that text. So again, it should be contrasting to the top bar nav color that you've chosen above, and it can be either black or white. Finally, we've got the bottom nav icon colors and background color. So that's the bar at the bottom of the app. That's where your main navigation will live. You need to choose a bottom banner background color. We'd suggest white is one that's really easy on the eye, you can't really go wrong with. but if you want that to be a branded color, then that's okay too, alongside an icon color. So the icons that sit over the top of the background color can be two different colors. One is default, so at all times, and then the other color is for when it's the selected page. So if I'm viewing the home page right now, my active icon color will be chosen. So you want them to kind of be contrasting, so it's really clear to the user that I'm on the home page, as opposed to the other few nav items you might have in the bottom bar. Once you're finished with all of your settings, you'll click on the save button. I'm just going to move my head here because it was blocking the save button. So you've finished configuring this page, press save, and it will upload straight to your app. That's all for this video. I hope it was really helpful. If you have any questions, please go to our website and reach out to our support team.